Oxygen is key to health. There are 3 essentials to life: food, water, and oxygen. A person can live longer without food than without water. Likewise, a person can live longer without water than without oxygen. The limit of the body to be without oxygen is about 2 minutes. That is why first aid CPR classes focus on the importance of getting oxygen into the body and keeping the blood oxygenated until the emergency workers arrive. Why is oxygen important? What does it do? When there is adequate oxygen, it combines with food to form energy. Where there is a low oxygen environment, it invites viruses, bacteria, and cancer cells. There are various things that can result in the body having low oxygen. Poor quality air and food are 2 things that affect oxygen levels. Another thing that can cause lower oxygen levels is the sugar content of foods. As sugar levels goes higher in the body, the oxygen level goes lower. What kind of air has poor air quality? It is air that is full of toxins, pollution, exhaust emissions and smoke. Sometimes a building's internal air quality can be more polluted than outside air because of all the cleaning chemicals used indoors. Often, newer homes are well insulated and not as drafty as older ones, so not as much fresh air enters. Also, there can be faulty heating systems, from either hot water heaters or furnaces. The heating system can also release carbon monoxide, which not only pollutes the air, but also is a deadly gas. As for food, there is a definite continuum of oxygen-containing foods. This ranges from foods which contain the most oxygen, to foods that contain the least. Living foods such as sprouts or freshly juiced wheatgrass juice contain the most oxygen. Properly extracted nutrients from seeds are also very good for oxygen levels in the body. Leafy greens are important. Further down the oxygen ladder are raw vegetables and fruits. Fruits and vegetables can be days in transit to stores, or sit days or even weeks in bins and on shelves before they are sold. All the time they are sitting exposed to light, they are losing nutrition. Cooked meats have the lowest amount of oxygen. Therefore, when considering nutrition and health, a foundational thing to consider is how to better oxygenate the body. Getting oxygen flowing throughout the body helps give it energy, as well helps it move away from an anaerobic situation. An anaerobic situation that lacks oxygen is one conducive to viruses, bacteria, and cancer cells.